So this wraps up our most recent trip to America, where we've really focused on the built environment, and it's very fitting to have the backdrop of the Kaufman Center for the Performing Arts in Kansas City in Missouri as we do this wrap up. And as usual, I'd like to leave us with kind of three areas of focus that we focused on this trip. So we started nearly 2 weeks ago up in Chicago at NeoCon and Design Days, where we focused on interior design and how working with many of our clients and organizations that presented there, like the American Society of Interior Design, about how important design thinking is as we design the inside of buildings to optimize human performance and human health. We then traveled north from Chicago and visited a number of our laboratories where we do testing, and ended up in Toronto at the Facilities Management Show there. Again, another very important aspect of how buildings impact on wellness and health is how you manage and clean and operate those facilities. Which brings us here to Kansas City, Missouri, to the Building Owners and Managers Association, BOMA, where we've spoken to the people who own and operate those assets. And again, key themes that come up is always sustainability, but a real focus at this show has been health and wellness and what that's going to mean to the people who own and manage these assets. So the three pillars or themes that have mirrored the journey we've gone on this trip are the interior design and optimizing that for health and wellness and human performance, facilities management also for health and wellness, and then to finish up on the owner and manager of the asset, which is the built environment.